Hi everyone, my name is Gabriel Dushinsky. I'm with Theatrixx Technologies from Canada, and we're here at ISE 2023 in Barcelona. I'm going to tell you a bit about the XpressCue today, which is this device over here. Now, we created the XpressCue to be a replacement for software-based playback solution. We wanted something that was hardware-based, reliable, easy to use, and simple. So this is not a media server, it's a media player, something you can learn how to use in 10 to 15 minutes. Really easy to use, but it's got all the professional connections you expect from a media server. So like an SDI, DisplayPort, HDMI, analog audio, even DMX control. You can control the whole device from the front panel. You got a nice little display here which shows you the thumbnails of your clips. You can build playlists. You can load content using USB, all from the front panel, directly from the device without needing a computer. Now we also have a web-based interface which is really easy to use. All you have to do is drag and drop your content, create a playlist. You can control playback right from there. But this is just a remote control, so if your PC crashes or if your computer stops connecting to the device, you won't lose your playback because all the playback is done from the device. There's 1 terabyte of SSD, solid state drive, right in the device. So it's fully standalone. And then we also added a native integration for the Stream Deck right here, which is connected directly into the XpressCue. A really nice integration because you can see your thumbnails for your videos and directly access them and make them play right away. You can create many pages, all with different configurations. Really easy to use again, simple, fast, and dependable. So for any more questions, you can visit our website, www.theatrixx.com.